We are also concerned about the impact of criminalization on public health. There is absolutely no evidence that criminalization is good for public health. There is no evidence that it deters people from engaging in high-risk behavior or that it deters people from non-disclosing your status. But there are clear evidence, growing evidence, that criminalization may actually undermine public health by, for example, undermining the relationship between a patient and his physician or his counselor, by preventing people from talking openly to their physician and counselor about their risk behavior or their disclosure practice for fear that maybe one day this information may be used against them. There is also a concern if the criminal law is at odds with the science. There are also concern that it can contribute to misconception around HIV and the transmission of HIV. And those concerns around the impact of criminalization, not only on individual but also on public health, are shared by international experts, such as UNAIDS, for example. UNAIDS, the Global Commission on HIV and the law, as well as the UN Rapporteur on the Right to Health, all urge states to limit the use of the criminal law when it comes to HIV. More specifically, they say that states should only use the criminal law against in cases of intentional transmission. So in cases where someone actually has the intent to transmit HIV and do transmit HIV. So we know we are very far from that in Canada, as you don't need an intent and you don't need HIV to be transmitted for the criminal law to apply.